Today, we're making these Madeleine cookies. Mine are gluten-free, lactose-free, and just incredibly delicious. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. Today we're making Madeleine cookies, but these ones are special. We're gonna be using a whole orange. We're gonna be using the zest and everything that's inside, the pulp as well, not just the juice. That's fiber and a lot more flavor. And to make these extra special, we're gonna work with different spices. I'm gonna add a lot of cinnamon, one of my favorite flavors in a Madeleine cookie, but also cardamom. I have green cardamom pods here. I'm gonna use 5 because I want these Madeleines to be cardamom forward, but you can start with 3 because these are tiny pods, but trust me, they pack a punch. They have so much aroma. And what we need to do is just break the outer shell. Please don't throw it away. I like to add it to teas and just steep them. We're gonna use what's inside. Now these Madeleine cookies come together in a blender. They're super easy to make. But we're gonna bake them in a special tray that's gonna give them that beautiful shape of like a shell. But you can always make these in just your average silicone loaf pan. You just need to cook them a bit longer. If you have any questions, please drop them below in the comments, and the recipe is in the description, as always.